Have you ever eaten Bhutki? If not, then come along. I'll take you to make it. The rainy season has just started, and right now, Bhutki is available in plenty. I've taken about 300 grams of Bhutki in a vessel. It's found a lot in Jharkhand and UP, and even more on the Bihar side. So we'll soak it in water for at least 2 to 3 hours. After 2-3 hours, I'll show you by mashing it with my hands. After washing it 7 to 8 times, I'll show you and we'll remove the upper layer by peeling with a knife. We'll clean it lightly with our hands. It comes in both black and white colors. Now these are cleaned, so we'll put it in clean water again, so if there's any dirt left, we can wash it. Then take it out and transfer it to another vessel. If you're new to my channel, then like, share, and subscribe. Now we'll cut it into 2 parts. If it's bigger, you can cut it smaller, but I'm only cutting it into 2 pieces. Now take a big vessel. I've taken a big bowl. Put chopped onions in it and mash it a little with your hands. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and I've roasted garam masala and added it. Add salt, then some whole spices, big cardamom, cloves, dry red chili, a piece of cinnamon, 2 whole nutmeg, and black peppercorns. Mix everything well with your hands. We'll add hot mustard oil, about half a cup, and mix it well too. Add a little asafoetida now and keep it aside. Now I've taken a clay pot, grease it with oil on both sides. This helps when it's on the gas. Add the sabzi we prepared into it. Add water and stir it once. Cover it with a plate and seal it all around with dough so air doesn't escape. After sealing, make small holes with a knife or spoon so some air can come out. This way the seal won't break. We'll cook it on low flame for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take it off the gas and I'll show you. First, remove the lid. You can see how much heat is inside and how beautifully pasty our sabzi has become. Stir it well with the ladle so no whole onion pieces are visible anywhere. After that, I've added butter to make it even tastier. I've made it in a pressure cooker also, in a kadai also, and in a clay pot too. So I thought, why not make it in this season as well? So meet you in a new recipe with a new video.